Hey guys, so today is day 3 of the challenge. I've just been to the tip. You can kind of see, just been to the tip. So this is the glamorous life that I lead. Hair's a bit of a mess. Haven't really had a chance to style it today, but don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Today is the day. So yesterday, obviously, took a small loss, $58. I'll be honest with you, it did dishearten me. And I know losses are part of the course, and like Mamba says, you are going to have losses, but as long as you have a winning week, and technically still up. It's just under 1% now, so it's 0.92% up on the challenge. Obviously I need to get to 8%, so we keep pushing. Today's a new day. The market's open in roughly an hour, so I need to get back and make sure that I've marked up my charts and I'm good to go. But yeah, that's where we're at. A new day, a new dawn, and I'm not going to get disheartened. And thank you for all the subscribers that have left comments, like really encouraging. I appreciate it. I really do. It does mean a lot, actually. It sounds silly because I know they're good luck messages and encouraging, but it actually does feel encouraging, and that's what they better be. They better be encouraging. They better feel encouraging, and trust me, they are really encouraging. So I really appreciate that. It does mean a lot. So thank you. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. It again, that would mean a lot. It means that you're actually interested in what I'm doing and following my journey. Hopefully passing this 25k funded challenge. All right, hopefully passing it. Using Clarity Traders. So if you do want to do a funded challenge, there's a link below in the description. Click on that, it'll take you to their page and you can register and sign up for a funded challenge. There is a 25% discount, a code I used. It's TL25, but normally they do like 50% discounts. I just didn't have one at the time when I signed up, which is a little bit unfortunate. Also, if you are interested in joining and following along with Mamba's live trading, his currency cave, there's a link in the description for that as well. I'm pointing my finger down, but you can't see me do that. So there's a link in the description below. So yeah, please, wobbly with the hand, please do subscribe, and yeah, we'll continue with the rest of the video. Hopefully it's a winning day.
We had a lot of news come in early on. These markets look like shit, but it's okay. It's all right. Still gonna mark it up, see what happens, but just know these are not the markets you really want to trade in.
Oh, good. Doesn't bode well, does it?
US 30 really fell, but we'll keep an eye on it, see if we can get something going. It's not the right type of markets to trade in. Movements are gonna be a little off, but it's okay. We'll still give it a try. We're dropping the.
I'm picking this up, guys. Picking this up. It's kind of mitigated that already, isn't it?
So we have another minute, 22 seconds.
Pushing up there, isn't it? Probably the wrong lot size, isn't it? To be fair. Hey, we'll see what happens. Still figuring this out. So if it's the wrong lot size, so be it. It's probably the smallest lot size I can get. So what's the worst that can happen?
30 more seconds.
Learn a lesson.
All right, it's open. See what happens. US 30 is pushing down, but it's already just a little too bearish.
What the fuck has just happened here?
News got us messed up there.
Oh my god, what? Why is the screen changed?
Get buys above.
How do I get that back?
That zone.
There we go.
With a baby stop.
Is he in?
NASDAQ definitely looks better than US 30, but today's the day I would normally just take off for sure.
Can't actually see the friggin'. How do I make this smaller? Let's push back. Wow. That's crazy. Man, using a laptop is the worst. You can't do anything quick with a trackpad as well. Like
pushing down just a little bit.
What
like that.
The fuck?
Just up there, for sure.
Oh, that's the volume. The volume just takes over the whole screen. Let me just. So hard to see what's going on. Ejected that one. Mamba says it's not a good day to trade, but here we are, running the risk.
I mean, realistically, we projected support. Probably wherever it pushes to next is going to have to be our entry zone. But again, I'm not very I'm not taking a liking to these markets by any means. I don't like the way it's moving. I don't like the way this candle is forming. I don't like the fact that we have a lot of news today. But the next break or official break would probably be a good entry point because at this point we faked out to the upside and downside just a little bit. Not even really faked out, but just tested support and resistance. So that's where we're at.
Nothing doing with US fairly apparently. Yep, looks like it. Just middling. So don't worry about that. Let's just focus on NAS for now. So you broke that support. But then it also broke that. I think it did, unless that's the volume. That must be the volume, mustn't it? So freaking hard to tell. How do I make this smaller? This volume graph. Is there a way to make that smaller? This could be a long ass day of nothing.
Wow, we're stuck in the middle still. Come on.
It's on the 15 minute. Where's that? Should I be on the 15 minute? So yeah, I noticed Mamba's pushing down. I noticed that Mamba's on the 15 minute, and I'm wondering, well, like, would that be better to be on the 15 minute? Who knows? Not I. Still learning. Looks like it's a slow day, boys and girls. So if this pushes down, I think we'll take the sell.
Push it just a little bit.
So I'm ready. You know what's going to happen. It's going to be entry now. I'm changing screens. It's so slow loading.
Yeah, we have had a killer week. I do agree 100%. We haven't had a single losing day in about...
I don't think that's right.
Like
1.2.
30 days, honestly, 29, I think, positive days. But
I reckon if I did that would wipe me out.
yeah, because even if this candle does push and it's like, yo, this is that, it's just not. The markets aren't good right now. XRP's at $3.10. I think XRP's going to $5 plus. I think $10 for sure.
I'm going to keep it conservative because I don't know if I trust that lot size calculator. And trade lockers tell me that is worth 232.
Yeah, we're not taking this trade. Flash services, I would have. Yeah, we'll go ahead and we're gonna have to take the day off, guys. I know it sucks to miss, but we got huge news coming. So even if we say, hey, let's take the short position, it's forming nicely, right? Which right there would be a decent position. We got so much news coming up. Even if it consolidates for a second and that news hits, we're gonna get wrecked. So markets just aren't good right now, and you can see it's already starting to fake out a little bit anyways if we did take that sell position. It is what it is. It is what it is. It happens. We tried, we saw, we came. We'll have another big week next week. We had a huge week. I'll look at the markets tomorrow morning, and I'll send you guys a trade if there is a trade. So be active in the chat. I don't trade Fridays ever, but I will check to see. And just a little recap of this week, just for NASDAQ in particular. My goodness, 1 to 5, 1 to 5, 1 to 2.3, US 30. I think they ended up being a 1 to 5 realistically, but a 1 to 3 at least. So beautiful, beautiful trades. It's 4 wins, 1 loss. Massive, massive week. Congratulations for everyone who passed funded accounts and made a bunch of money. Let's come back next week and let's get active again, baby.
That's it. Mamba's gone. He's not taking any trades today because there's a lot of news today. That's going to affect the markets. So rather than risking, potentially losing a huge amount, just took the day off, just said like that, done. Nothing's happening. No profits to be made. Bish bash bosh. And I'm looking at this thinking, oh, that goes there. No, I'll jump in. But it's not worth it, is it? Like, part of trading is knowing when to walk away, knowing the psychology. Like, if someone like Mamba is telling you there's no trade, and someone like me who's relatively new, it probably makes sense to not even think about taking a trade as well. Like, he's got a lot more capital than me, and he's saying, nah, walk away. So today's video is going to be super short, super sweet, bit disappointing, but what will happen, Mamba takes Fridays off, but I'm not going to take Friday off, right? I'm going to attempt it on my own. So I'm going to mark up my charts and go solo. So tomorrow's video is going to be me with no support from Mamba, and we're going to see how that pans out. So yeah, wish me luck for tomorrow. What's tomorrow? Tomorrow's Friday, yeah, Friday. Crap. Yeah, so as you can see, even if I jumped in there, it would have spat me back out, and the news hasn't even hit yet, so let's just not worry about it. Disappointing, because I was looking forward to making up for yesterday's loss, or trying to. But yeah, not to be today, boys and girls. Sorry. Yeah. So anyway, a bit of a nothing video. Sorry about that. But if you're enjoying my trading journey, please do hit the subscribe button. It does mean a lot to me, and it does help the channel grow, obviously. And hopefully, as I learn, I can pass on my lessons to you, and then you can learn. And for example, if this does go well, and you think, actually, yeah, I can do that. Why not join Mamba's live trading? There's a link in the description below, and also, why not take a funded challenge? There's another link in the description below. It's from claritytraders.com. So yeah, I will see you tomorrow.